Hey everyone, welcome back to Module 13 on healthy food environments. After a semester of examining the challenges that public health faces with regard to the food system, it feels good to be thinking about how to create healthy food environments and what elements are involved in really bringing about the healthiest food environments possible to all communities. So this week in the learning materials, there's a short lecture on what food environments are, how they're measured, and then also possible interventions to increase access to healthy foods within those food environments. And then there's also a short text on Vermont's food environment as a little bit of a case study of sorts in terms of thinking about access to healthy foods and what's involved in healthy food environments. And this week for your assignment, we'll have our last article presentation. So I'll look forward to reading all of your comments and reading the last discussion thread this week. Have a great week. Thanks.